Red? Red?
Oh!
Is that red? Nice coloring. Oh shoot.
It's good.
Oh, you did it! Did it hurt your finger? Did it hurt your finger? Yeah? Should we put a Thomas sticker on you? Oh, you've already got Thomas stickers on your shirt. Yes, you did it all by yourself. You gonna put some more on? Here, where are you gonna put that? Show Mommy, where are you gonna put it?
Where?
You gonna put it on your storyboard? Is it stuck to your fingers? Stuck, isn't it? Whoopsie.
It's hurting.
It's okay. Oh, it's alright. There. Uh-oh. You did it.